Hello everyone. In this video, we can discuss all the question answers of digital documentation. All these questions are related to Apache OpenOffice software. So let's start. First question is, what are styles? What are the advantages of using styles? As you know, style is a predefined combination of various formatting features and types like font style, size, color, etc. that is applied to the selected text in the document to quickly change its appearance. Styles help improve consistency in a document. They can also make major formatting changes in a very easy way. MS Word, Apache OpenOffice, किसी भी टेक्स्ट एडिटर सॉफ्टवेयर में स्टाइल्स कुछ टेम्पलेट्स बनी बनाई हैं. देर आर सम इनबिल्ट स्टाइल टेम्पलेट्स दैट वी कैन अप्लाई टू द टेक्स्ट टू क्विकली चेंज इट्स फॉर्मेटिंग इफेक्ट्स. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट आवर ओन स्टाइल? हम अपना एक स्टाइल कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? फॉर दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइप द टेक्स्ट, make all the formatting changes in the text. Suppose you can change its font style, change its color, change its size, change its alignment. All the formattings according to your requirement you can apply to the text. Third point, click on the format tab, then select the formatting and styles option, then select the type of the style. There are some styles: paragraph style, character style, frame style. Select any type of the style, then click on the new style from the selection icon. Type the name of the style and click on OK. That style you created will be shown in your styles template. Next question is, list any 3 methods of inserting in a text document. List any 3 methods of inserting in a text document. Method 1 is, we can use a drag and drop feature to insert an image in a document. By using the drag and drop feature, we can insert an image. Method 2, we can insert the image in a document by using copy and paste method. We can also insert the image by using copy and paste method. Method 3, click on the insert tab, select the picture option and select the from file option. These are the 3 methods to insert the picture. Question number 4, what do you understand by the terms text wrapping and anchoring? Text wrapping, it refers to the relation of graphics to the surrounding text which may wrap around the graphic on one or both sides. किसी भी ग्राफिक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम टेक्स्ट के साथ अरेंज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ द टेक्स्ट रैपिंग. देर आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ द टेक्स्ट रैपिंग: स्क्वायर, इन बिहाइंड ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट. Second is anchoring. It refers to the reference point for the graphics. This point could be the page frame where the object is a paragraph or a character. We can make a link of any text to anchor the text. Next question is, what are templates? What are the advantages of using templates? A template is a document type that creates a copy of itself when you open it. It contains layouts, colors, font effects. The inbuilt design of a document is called template. As you know, there are some inbuilt designs that are called templates where you can use it in your file. There are some advantages of templates. It makes the document attractive, consistency and clarity, easy to create a document, customer satisfaction. And last question is, what is the difference between styles and templates? Style is a predefined combination of various formatting features and style and types like font style, size, color, etc. that is applied to a selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. Template. The inbuilt design of a document is called template. It is a document type that creates a copy of itself when you open it. Thank you.